An affiliatepreneur is a term that combines affiliate marketing and entrepreneur. Is a combination of those two words to form a word called affiliatepreneur, who build, manage, scale a business by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. These are serious entrepreneurial ventures that leverages the skill in digital marketing, content creation strategies to build profitable, sustainable business. They're basically just to put it in this way, to really get a concept of an affiliate preneur income opportunity. Okay, an affiliate preneur income opportunity is tapping into one of the most lucrative and accessible online business model, which is affiliate marketing. So as an affiliatepreneur yourself, your duty you promote is to promote other people's product or service and earn a commission from every sale or action generated by your effort. Is a powerful way to generate income today without the need to create product, without the need to handle customer service, without the need to handle or manage inventory. No need or headache of that. Just you promote other people's product and earn a commission doing that. That is an affiliatepreneur. So who is an affiliatepreneur? To really summarize this, an affiliatepreneur is someone, or if he's, someone who runs a business by promoting other people's products or services and earns a commission for each sale they generate. Any commission for each sale you generate. A person who earns money by recommending other people's product online. And of course, if I do a poll to ask those who have done this or recommended a product to someone before, you will indicate by raising your hand because you have at the time recommended a product to somebody. But that action is what is called an affiliatepreneur. It's called affiliate marketing. But the reason why it is not affiliate marketing to you is because you didn't get paid doing that. The action was, but you didn't connect it. And this is who an affiliatepreneur is. Is someone who is deliberate in making money